Cats in the hat said, man, got me going crazy. Sanity is back, but the sanity is in when the sanity is back.
I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever. I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever.
I'm just trying to live eternal, trying to live forever. I'm moving through this weather, stringing hearts when I pleasure. Any type of step, take a gentle one. You could tell the instrumental son, man, the instrumental son. When I rise and I set, I fly with the best. Pull up off the top as we swipe for the checks like it's JP Morgan. On a different type of time, like the rhyme, the brightest shine. I see it in my 9 to 5. I see it in the tiger's eye, even lions lie. I see it in the sheep, shepherds with the highs. Shepherds with the highs when we cut it all down. I'm ventilating ducks when I see it with that sound. So duck, I'm going down, going under pressure. You can never take me under, moving through your lecture. Why you trying to give me this advice? It don't hit me. So I hit the split and now I'm gone and I tempt me.
I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever. I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever.
Laughing at the motherfucking TD Bank. What you really think? Man, the money on my mind, kinda like a bank, kinda like a piggy. Cracking that shit with a hammer, going MC Hammer on the track. On the grind like a train on the track. Coast to coast on a plane, jet lag. On my motherfucking God, niggas never slack. Rewind the track, kinda like I don't know how to act. Kinda like a little kid with a low back. Going crazy on the motherfucking pinata. All the candy coming out. Yada, hotter, gotta get it. Flip it, switching it, get it. Flipping it, gotta get it. Man, it flow so ferocious, kinda like a dunk. When you see it on TV, man, you be like, what?
I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever. I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever,
Can't wait
ever,
till I'm
ever.
buzzed. Not from the drugs, but that feeling that you get when your shit's so hot and the people show love. And there's probably a couple who gon' try hold a grudge, but it's all good, cause I'm looking like the Jeffersons, moving on up. Type of life that makes you say, look, don't touch. I'm tryna be at peace like a Buddhist monk. So when they ask you how I'm holding up, matter of fact, I've been holding it down. New York's next golden child with a coconut smile. Going wild, going coconuts now. So you can keep up with the Joneses. I'm tryna make moves with the Dow. Asking me why instead of asking me how I do it. And I got no time to explain. I'm trying to make them ends meet so I can afford my next ex-importer, have her board that plane. Hey,
I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever. I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever.
In this one lifetime, tell your mother that you love her cause your sun might shine. All bright like the Everglades, off-white, no spice like vanilla sway. Hella fade into the night cause I'm MIA. M-I-A-M-I in Manila Bay. And Euro's way, away we go. I got 99 problems, one thing we know is living life with a bang, the thing reloads. I got ice in my vein, my brain be froze. Sipping light cause I'm feeling a hazy flow. Yeah. And you already know that I just wanna be.
I just wanna be young and rich forever, young and rich forever, young and rich forever, ever, ever, ever. I just